DSE 2020年 MC 第28條，咁呢一條題目係關於嗰個 eddy current 嘅。咁你睇下，佢話有個 small and strong magnets 啦，佢係一個 south pole 向下，咁 north pole 向上嘅一個姿態，入咗一個鋁製嘅 tube 嗰度。咁佢就向下移動嘅，咁佢係向下移動嘅。咁條題目就問關於個 eddy currents 嘅 current induced 啦，亦即係可以講係 eddy currents 嘅 direction。View from an observer from above。咁我哋先將上面設為 up 啦 ，down 啦，又方便大家解釋嘅。咁喺呢種情況下咧，個 magnet 咧佢係向下移動嘅 ，direction 係 moving downward。咁向下移動咧，佢就根據呢個 in Lenz's law 咧，佢係個 aluminium tube 咧係會產生一個eddy currents， 從而產生一個 magnetic field 去 oppose the change。oppose change。咁好多學生咧就有一個誤區，就係佢齋記住咗 oppose， 但係其實唔知佢 oppose 嘅其實係 change 嘅。佢唔係話 oppose 個 magnetic field 嘅方向，而係 oppose magnetic field 所改變嘅方向。咁呢個係有天壤之別嘅。咁我哋可以畫一個示意圖啦。咁喺 North Pole 咧，咁個 magnetic field 咧係向上嘅，但因為個 magnet 咧係向下移動啊嘛。咁當個 magnet 向下移動嘅話，咁向上嘅 magnetic field 咧係會減少嘅。所以咧，根據呢佢個 aluminium tube 就會產生一個 induce 一個 eddy current 啦。咁個 eddy currents 佢就會係一個向上嘅方向。因為本身向上嘅方向係減緊嘅，所以我哋要加向上嘅方向。跟住係對於下面嚟講咯，下面嘅話咧，咁嗰個 magnetic field 咧其實係一個向上嘅方向。咁當個 magnetic field 向上，但係向下移動嘅時候咧，咁 upward magnetic field 咧係會根據 Lenz's law 係要減弱嘅。所以咧，佢就會用一個 downward magnetic field 啦，即係 induce 一個 downward eddy current， 從而產生一個 downward magnetic field 去 oppose 呢個 increasing the upward magnetic field。咁喺呢種情況下咧，咁 upward 同埋 downward 咧，我哋就可以用 right hand rule 啦。right hand rule 嘅話咧 ，right hand rule 咧，我哋首先知道上面嗰部分咧，佢係一個 anti-clockwise 嘅方向嘅，係咁樣嘅方向嘅。個 eddy currents， 咁下面個方向咧，咁手指公就向下啦。手指公向下咧，就會發現到佢係一個順時針方向而移動嘅。咁喺呢種情況下咧，就係 anti-clockwise above and the magnets and clockwise below the magnets 啦。咁答案咧係 D for dot。